House on Mango Street is a piece that originated, I think, about 7 or 8 years ago when Derek Bermel reached out to Sandra Cisneros, the author of the novel, and said he wanted to turn this into an opera. We're really thrilled that here at the University of Michigan, we get to present the first ever orchestral workshop of this piece.
This is a crucial time when Sandra and I will get to hear the opera, The House on Mango Street, with a full orchestra for the first time.
I was very pleased at how it became adapted to something that went beyond my book, that we were able to revisit characters, revisit scenes. And of course, there's all the magic of theater with lighting and costumes and live experience that has made it thrilling for me to be working on this project.
The position that SMTD is in, it's an incredible opportunity that the composer can hear the orchestra. To be involved in the creation of a new piece doesn't happen often, so for our students to be able to involve, to have a voice, to be part of the creation of a new opera is a gift.
Danielle Casós is our Esperanza, and Esperanza is the heroine of the piece. What really made Danielle wonderful for this role is her versatility.
It really means a lot to be part of the living tapestry that is opera. Obviously, as performers, we want to have our own take on the story and the characters. To get insight straight from the source is really exciting and will bring more insight into my understanding of Esperanza. I'm from a neighborhood in Chicago that is majority Mexican people, and so I am the girl from House on Mango Street. For me to have these two worlds collide is incredible, because I never thought growing up reading this book that, like, in my college career, working with the composer one-on-one to be able to tell him this works, this doesn't work. It's pretty incredible, especially since Sandra Cisneros was one of my favorite authors growing up.
We have our student singers from the Department of Voice and Opera. We have the University Philharmonia Orchestra. We've been rehearsing this piece really hard, and we're going to put it all together and bring it to the stage of Hill Auditorium. This is a really great opportunity to learn about this piece, to learn about the compositional process, and to help these great creators bring the piece to life.